This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Salesforce Developer Console. First, navigate to your Salesforce instance and locate the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on it, then select Developer Console from the drop-down menu to open the tool in a new window. This powerful environment allows you to manage and develop custom applications directly within Salesforce, offering a streamlined workflow for administrators and developers alike. It's your central hub for code creation and testing. Once inside, you'll notice several key menus. The File menu is where you'll start new projects, like creating an Apex class or a Visual-first component. The Debug menu is crucial for troubleshooting, letting you execute anonymous Apex code or inspect debug logs. Below, the Query Editor provides a powerful way to interact with your Salesforce data using SOQL and SOSL, allowing you to retrieve and analyze records efficiently. When writing code, the main editor pane offers features like syntax highlighting and basic auto-completion to enhance your productivity. For debugging, you can set breakpoints by clicking on the line numbers, which will pause execution at that point. Then, use the Debug menu to execute your code and step through it, examining variable values and the call stack to pinpoint any issues. This iterative process is essential for robust development. After writing your code, thorough testing is vital. The Developer Console allows you to run Apex tests for your classes and triggers, providing immediate feedback on their functionality. You can also monitor your code coverage, which is a critical metric for deploying to production. Once your tests pass and coverage requirements are met, you can then deploy your components, ensuring a smooth transition of your custom solutions into live environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.